Hey everyone, welcome back. I've got a snowblower here. Customer says it will not start. Here's why. The gas tank is completely rusted out. Look at the fuel that came out. Here's the carburetor bowl. And here's what the carburetor looks like on the inside. This is why the machine won't start. Now what I'm going to do is replace the fuel tank and the carburetor. There's no point in trying to clean that. It's too far gone. So the gist of this video, guys, is don't leave your stuff outside with bad fuel in it. Have a good day.